Hello and welcome to this video where we will be exploring a fascinating hypothetical scenario. What if the Earth had two moons instead of one? The moon had a profound impact on our planet, from controlling tides and ocean currents to stabilizing our axial tilt and rotation. But what if there were two of them? How would this change our world? In this video, we will examine the science behind this fascinating topic and find out what the Earth would be like with two moons. So, let's get started. The current moon is a natural satellite of Earth and is believed to have formed around 4.5 billion years ago from debris generated by a large impact between Earth and a Mars-sized object. The moon has a significant impact on the Earth in various ways. It is responsible for tides and stabilization of Earth's axial tilt and formation of monthly cycle of night and day. Additionally, the moon's gravitational pull has influenced the Earth's climate and evolution of life on the planet. The moon is also a key object in the sky that has been used for navigating and timekeeping for thousands of years. Many theories exist as to how the Earth may have acquired two moons. The captured theory, which contends that a Mars-sized object was grabbed by Earth's gravitational field and turned into a second moon, is one of the most frequently accepted. Another theory is the impact idea, according to which the Earth and its two moons were formed when two independent celestial bodies crashed and combined. There is also formation hypothesis which suggests that the Earth and its two moons were formed simultaneously from two different moon-sized objects. As a hypothetical situation, it is currently impossible to know for sure how the Earth would have acquired two moons. There would probably be a number of distinctions between the current moon and the fictitious second moon if the Earth had two moons. Some of these variations could be size. The two moons may differ in size, with one possibly being bigger or smaller than the other. Distance from the Earth. The fictitious second moon might be situated at a different distance from the planet, which could have an impact on its gravitational pull. Orbit characteristics. Two moons might have different orbit patterns such as elliptical or circular orbits, affecting their impact on tides and Earth rotation. Compositions. The two moons could have different compositions, potentially affecting their gravitational influence on the Earth. Stability. The existence of two moons could make the Earth's gravitational system more complex and potentially unstable, leading to changes in the moon's orbit and their impact on the Earth. These differences could likely have significant impact on Earth and its environment, making the hypothetical scenario of two moons an interesting subject for scientific speculation and research. The gravitational effect of two moons on Earth could have a profound effect on tides and ocean current. The moon's gravitational pull on ocean of the Earth is the main cause of tides. Two moons could produce greater and more intricate tide patterns as a result of their combined gravitational pull. High tides and strong ocean currents may arise from this, which may disrupt the distribution of marine species and result in coastal flooding. Also, the two moons' various positions and motions may result in tidal resonance, where their gravitational forces reinforce one another and intensify tides and ocean currents. If the Earth had two moons as opposed to the current situation when there is only one moon, the tides and ocean currents would be very different. The tides are mostly influenced by the current moon, which results in a regular cycle of higher and lower tide. The tide patterns would become more complicated and unpredictable with two moons, possibly resulting in bigger and stronger tides and ocean currents. Moreover, the current moon stabilizes the Earth's axial tilt, which helps control the climate of the planet. When there are two moons, their combined gravitational pull may cause the Earth's axial tilt to alter, which may have an impact on planet's temperature and weather patterns. In conclusion, if Earth had two moons, it would have significantly different tidal patterns and ocean currents from how they are now, and it would probably have a major effect on the planets and its environment. The Earth's rotation would be significantly impacted by the gravitational pull of two moons. The moon's gravitational pull caused the Earth's rotations to slow down over time, a process known as tidal braking. With two moons, the rate of tidal braking would rise due to the combined gravitational pull of these bodies, possibly slowing the Earth's rotation even more. The length of the day and axis of the Earth may alter as a result, which may have a huge effect on temperature and weather patterns of the planet. The Earth's size, shape, and mass distribution may all alter as a result of increasing tidal forces, which may have additional effects on planets' rotation and axial tilt. Finally, it should be noted that gravitational attraction of two moons would significantly affect the Earth's rotation and axial tilt, possibly resulting in dramatic alteration to the planet's climate and ecosystem. Change in Earth's rotation and axial tilt as a result of gravitational pull of two moons would have a range of consequences, including climate. Changes to Earth's axial tilt could result in changes to its climate, such as changes in the distribution of sunlight and length of day and night. This could result in shifts in temperature patterns, affecting global weather patterns and leading to more extreme weather conditions. Changes in the seasons. The variation in axial tilt may also affect the timing and intensity of seasonal weather patterns, such as the start of spring and outset of winter. Sea level. The increased tidal forces from two moons could result in changes to the sea level, potentially leading to coastal flooding and affecting marine ecosystem and human population. Earth's shape. The higher tidal forces could result in changes to the shape of Earth, potentially changing its rotation and axial tilt. Geology. The increased tidal forces may alter the internal structure of Earth as well as geological processes like volcanic and seismic activity. The planet and its environment may be significantly affected by these changes, which may have an effect on human populations, ecosystem, and the climate. The impact of two moons on life, including wildlife and human populations, would be complex and far-reaching. Wildlife. The changes in tidal patterns and ocean currents caused by two moons could result in changes to marine ecosystem and distribution of marine life. This could have significant impacts on species that rely on specific tidal patterns for reproduction and feeding, potentially leading to declines in population size or even extinction. Human population. The increased tidal forces and changes in sea level could result in coastal flooding, affecting human population and infrastructure. This could lead to displacement of people, damages to buildings and infrastructure, and economic impact. In addition, changes to the planet's climate and weather patterns could result in changes to food production, potentially affecting food security for human populations. Urban development. The increased risk of coastal flooding could result in changes to urban development, potentially leading to restriction on coastal development and need for adaptation measures such as sea walls and other forms of coastal protection. In conclusion, the impact of two moons on life, including wildlife and human populations, would be complex and far-reaching, with the potential for significant and potentially negative impact. Changes in day and night cycle. As a result of changes in Earth's axial tilt and rotation caused by two moons could have a significant impact on life, including wildlife and human population. Light and darkness. Changes in the axial tilt could result in changes to the distribution of sunlight, potentially affecting the timing and length of day and night. This could have impact on behavior and ecology of animals, including diurnal and nocturnal species. Temperature. Changes to the distribution of sunlight could also result result in changes to temperature patterns, potentially affecting local climate and weather patterns. Agriculture changes in day and night cycle could have impact on agriculture, potentially affecting the timing and production of crops and the availability of food. In conclusion, the hypothetical scenario of Earth having two moons could have far-reaching and complex impact on planet and its environment. The combined gravitational pull of two moons could result in change to Earth's rotation and axial tilt, potentially affecting climate, sea level, and weather patterns. This could have impact on wildlife, including marine species and terrestrial animals, as well as human populations, including coastal communities and agriculture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.